Well, good morning, class.
Morning.
Nice to see you're all awake and having fun. Yeah? Did we get some good sleep last night?
Sure did.
Not really.
Yeah. Well, you know, you gotta have 8 hours a night.
I only got 4, so.
You only got 4. Well, you need to quit playing the little gadgets and get some sleep. But
I was actually doing homework for your class.
oh, you're doing homework. All right. Well, math's tough, but today we're going to go over pushing in our chairs right quick. And our librarian the other day said you guys didn't do a very good job, so she put together the 3rd graders and they made a video for you. And we're hoping it kind of sends a message that we need to have our chairs pushed in and be quiet when we get done with classes. All right? So we're going to watch Mr. Jefferson here.
Oh, hello. I didn't see you there. This is a reminder, students. When you're leaving the library, be sure to push your chairs in. There's a wrong way to do it. Alright guys, push your chairs in line up, please. And there's a right way to do it. Alright students, please push in your chairs and line up.
All right. So did we see how nice that second one was and how quiet?
Yeah.
It almost felt like they had got more done than the other kids. They weren't just sitting there waiting to get out of class.
That looks so much better.
Okay.
That was awesome.
All right. So when we're thinking about pushing in our chairs, what are some things we can keep in our mind to figure out how to get a chair pushed in correctly?
We'll not put it on the table.
Not put it on the table. They put one on the table. I think they were trying to be kind of funny in the library video.
It wasn't
but
very respectful.
it wasn't very respectful at all.
You want to be quiet?
You want to be quiet. That helps. That gets stuff done a little easier.
Yeah. I mean, you gotta, make sure it touches the table.
Make sure it touches the table. So you almost want to think about, having the back of the chair being touching with the table, correct?
Yeah.
Is that what you're saying?
You have to
Yeah.
have it flushed with the table.
Right.
Yeah, flush with the table. That's good vocab. That's a good job.
That was in our cards.
Thanks, Mr. Anderson.
All right. Well, what else could we think about when we push in chairs?
I don't know.
Maybe could we think about having all 4 legs underneath the table?
Yeah.
I was trying to say that.
Okay. Well, that's all right. That's why I'm here.
4 on the floor.
All right. So, yes, 4 on the floor. That's a good one.
Good job,
Thanks.
Max.
Thank you.
All right. Well, so we're going to do an activity this
Haley,
morning.
Stop looking at me there.
You know. All right. All right. Let's be paying attention up here, okay? I got your eyes?
You got
Yeah.
my eyes.
Yeah. All right. So we're gonna have 2 cues when we're pushing in a chair, and the first one's gonna be all 4 underneath the table on the floor, and the second cue is gonna be the back of the chair needs to be touching the table or flush with the table, like Mr. Otteson had said. So when I say go, we're gonna stand up, quietly push in a chair, and see if we can do it right. All right.
Mm-hmm.
And go. All right.
Good job.
You did a good job here. It's flush with the table.
Flushed it.
The 4 underneath the table. That's a good job. Now here, it is touching. I'll give you that.
Yeah, the back of the chair.
The
is
back of the
touching-
chair.
This is the back of the chair, which is what you said earlier, is touching
Okay.
the table, and all 4 legs are on the floor.
All right.
You did
So
say it.
I was
You did.
confusing. So I'm gonna have you 2 stand right here.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm going to demonstrate how to sit down and push in a chair.
Eat, Elizabeth.
Hey,
Max.
you too. We don't need to be sitting out of recess. Alright, so when I would sit down and then stand up again, the seat here needs to be underneath the table and this needs to be flush with the table as well. Now, you did a good job of having it touch. You did that right, and I messed that up. And so, that was a good job. Alright, and we'll do this one more time just to see if we can get it done right. So go ahead and have a seat again.
Gonna beat you.
say go, we will do the same thing and try to get it done. And go. Alright. Good job again. Way to get that done. You did an excellent job this time. You really, it shows you really paid attention. I didn't know if we were or not, but it shows you really paid attention and got the job done.
I don't
And
know
I
why you
appreciate
doubt
that.
me, Mr. Moser.
Anderson.
Well, alright, so let's have another seat. Alright, so today what did we go over?
Not to push each other.
Not to push each other.
We're teaching.
Exactly.
The right and wrong way to push in a chair.
The right and wrong way to push in a chair. And what were those two keys again?
Flush the
Yep.
chair.
Back of the chair flush with the table?
Right,
Yeah.
And
and
4 on the floor.
four on the floor.
Four on the floor.
Under the table.
Under the table. Good job.
Boom.
That's a gold star.
That is.
Alright.
More than you.
Well, alright. Well, it's... You guys did a good job, and we're going to write our apology notes to our librarian teacher, and then we will move on to math class.
When's lunch?
It's coming.